Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check your FNB app account number. But first, check your special offer in your description. So let's get started. So if you want to see or you want to view your app account or your account number here through the FNB app, well, this one is quite easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the app here and just log in into your account. Now, once you've logged in, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and go to the homepage here and just click on the account section. Now, once you do press or click on it, it should redirect you to your banking page or your accounts that you currently have. So in this case, you want to go ahead and tap or select the account that you may want to view the account number for. So for example, let's go and select the first one. Now, from here, it should direct you to the section for options. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and select the account options at the very top because you have two options here, transaction history and account options. Choose account options. Now, typically under the account options, you should be able to immediately see your account number, your balance, and the available balance you currently have right now. So if you want to share, like let's just say your account number here, what you could do is you could go and actually scroll down a bit. Look for the option that says account information, and under account information, once you click or select that, in that page you should be able to see your account information, your account name, account number, and also the branch code. Now you can also click on the share button at the bottom section of your screen. So if you want to share this to a friend or a family member to make the transfer, well, in this case, that's how you share it. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.